the channel HK's Hogshine, so I can safely say this video is something we've never done on this channel before. Never done in general. We've hunted hogs, deer, dove on this channel, but we've never targeted or hunted what we did in this video. I'm not going to say what it is, you're just going to have to keep watching to find out, but definitely a first. David and I had an afternoon. We got home with a little light left to spare before dark, so we threw a couple of the guns in the car and we headed out to a property near the house that we hunt on just to see what we could get a shot at before dark. We also target shot with the pistols to make sure they were on. So let's go ahead, head down and see what we targeted in this video. It was a first for sure. We're gonna have my Glock 9mm pistol and David's 12 gauge shotgun. So let's go ahead, head down to the field and see what we got into. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and enjoy the video. Well, at least I was consistent. Fight him back. Aha! Squish! Found two.
What is up, everybody? My name is David Chambers. You're watching HK's Hogshine, and guess what? We're not hunting hogs, we're not hunting deer, and we're not hunting dove. We are shooting and hunting the elusive yellow squash.
Squash.
I didn't even hurt the squash. Look at the pellets, holy crap. Well, I guess the squash.
The squash lives.
No, I mean it broke in half somehow. I don't know.
You shot it off, it just didn't break.
Got the dang target's done for, and that's a fact. All right, it's Hogshine's turn.
The poor squash.
Huh?
Level?
Yeah. Go for it, Hogshine. She usually shoots 20 gauge.
Yeah. This is gonna hurt.
Put your hand a little further up.
Further?
Yeah, and grab a hold of it really good. You blew that squash to smithereens. Dang. What? Look what you did to that squash. Look at that thing. That squash is donezo. You guys, this is the kind of stuff that we do when there's nothing open. There's nothing in season except for hogs, but you know, if you wanted to have a different hunting experience. Well, what you call a yellow belly round quail with seeds inside.
You're having too much fun with this. Are you killing?
We got dinner, y'all.
We had dinner.
Oh gosh.
Never did I think that I would be hunting yellow squash. It's not even a favorite vegetable of mine, but you know, every now and then you just got to get out in the outdoors and have fun and do something crazy and blow up some squash. Or any other vegetable would work, but we had a lot of fun. Shooting that 12 gauge shotgun was a first for me. finally convinced me to shoot it. Didn't hurt as bad as I thought it would. Hope you enjoyed the video. This was kind of just not one of our normal videos. Normally we're out there seriously hunting something, but you know, every now and then you just gotta go crazy, I guess. But hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to stay tuned. We're gonna be hunting a lot more hogs. We're gonna be heading down to Sanibel Island soon and doing a little fishing. Be sure to check out our apparel and our attractants. We just released a new attractant for hogs. It's called the Hog Bomb. You can find all of that on our Facebook and Instagram or Amazon. All of our apparels and our attractants. So the Facebook and Instagram link will be in the description, as well as all of the Amazon links. So be sure to check all of that out and stay tuned. Like I said, we're going to have a lot more videos coming, and you never know what we're going to be doing. But thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys next time.